We'll guide you through how to fix villager trades not restocking in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you want to play Minecraft with your friends and want a server, then check out Apex Hosting. They might go to server host. I'll put a link down below, and that is an affiliate link, so we get a commission and no extra cost to you. So how I managed to go and fix this was, first of all, make sure you have waited a couple of days for the trades to go and have a chance to restock. If a couple of days have passed and they still haven't, then what you want to do is go and break the work block or workstation like so. Now, because you've gone and traded with a villager before, they are going to keep their profession, and then all you need to do is go and replace the work block like so. Now go and wait for the green particles to go and appear, and this means the villager has now gone and relinked to it. And now what you can try doing is going and trading with the villager, and they hopefully may have been restocked. If they still haven't, then what you can do is go and wait another night, and hopefully they then should be. And hopefully your problem will be solved. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.